Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? My name is Robin. Welcome back once again on the channel for another video. Inside today's video, I'm going to be focusing on showing you guys what stocks I'm going to be buying today. It's going towards the end of the week, so I figured it'd be kind of cool to finish up the week on a Friday, just kind of showing you guys the portfolio, giving you guys a quick little update and focusing on some stocks that I'm going to be buying today inside my portfolio. So like usual guys, if you guys are brand new to the channel, this channel is focused on long-term dividend investing and investing into good quality stocks. And I kind of built this channel to showcase my journey as I kind of build out my dividend-based portfolio. So if you guys enjoy these videos, please sure to give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you guys want to see more Canadian-based investing content. So thanks for watching guys, and let's jump into the portfolio. Let's see how our stocks are doing for today. I'll start out the video by doing a quick little update, and then I'll show you guys the stocks I'm buying, and then I'll finish it up by kind of showing you guys some of the dividend income and how the portfolio has grown over time. So let's jump inside the portfolio and let's see how our stocks are doing. What's up, how's it going? So the first thing we're going to be doing today inside the portfolio is I'll give you guys a quick little update. We'll run through how the stocks are doing, and then I'll show you guys which stocks I'm actually going to be buying for today. And since we are approaching the end of the week, I figure it's Friday, we're going into the weekend, I might as well do a quick update on the portfolio and show you guys what stocks I'm going to be buying today. And I figure you guys might like a video like that today. So the first thing we're going to do is go over the total of the portfolio. So our portfolio value is currently sitting at $19,535. Over the past day, our portfolio is up about $40. It's actually early in the morning. It's 9:53 a.m. Friday, so the stock market just kind of opened up. And keep in mind, Wealthsimple trade does have a 15-minute delay, so we're just kind of waiting to see how today is going to be. It's going to be interesting to see. But over the past week, our portfolio is up $76. So pretty. Nothing too crazy over the past week, pretty much just kind of being neutral. Over the past month, we're up 2%, so nice little jump over the past month, kind of coming towards the last couple days. If you guys have been paying attention over the past couple weeks, we've seen a nice little rise in the market, which has kind of helped our portfolio out a little bit. Over the past 3 months, we are up 1,183, so again, a lot of that growth coming towards the end and the beginning of 2021. 2020, I should say, the end of 2020, beginning of 2021, and then over the past year, we were up 8%. And if we go all time inside our portfolio, we're up $1,448, 8% all time, which is roughly about a year or so inside the portfolio. So if we look at some of the stocks inside our portfolio, you guys know that I like to pick like solid, good quality companies, but I also like to kind of pick some companies that have a little bit of growth potential opportunities. And even though I don't invest like a ton into these stocks, I do like to have a little bit of risk inside the portfolio because I think it's important, when you're building a dividend-based portfolio, to also have like growth opportunities inside the portfolio. And that's why we hold a lot of these growth-based dividend stocks, and a lot of the Canadian stocks are cool like that. So that's why we hold them. But today I wanted to focus on one of the stocks that I actually I haven't really invested that much into, and I want to kind of bring the portfolio to be a little bit more balanced in a sense where, all the stocks kind of have somewhat the same holdings. Like I have some stocks here, you guys can see like RioCan, H&R REIT, even TD, where I have like really large amount of these holdings, and I kind of want to bring it to be a little bit more even across some of these individual stocks and have some of the ETFs kind of have the bulk of the portfolio kind of thing. Like I have some like, for example, Severia Corp, which is a stock I'm going to be talking about today. I only have about $200 inside this stock, even though it's performed quite well. So that's something I kind of want to kind of make things a little bit more even as time goes on. So all that said and done, the main stock we're going to be focusing on today is going to be Severia Corp. And this is a really interesting stock. It's not a super well-known stock. It's been around for quite a while and it's performed quite well. And it's been kind of interesting. It's had a bit of an interesting history. So the first thing I'm going to do to kind of talk about it is I'm going to bring it up on Google here. I'm just going to type in Severia Corp, kind of look at the stock here. I'm going to show you guys the maximum kind of like history of the stock. So, this stock has been around way back since the early 2000s, and it's had a little bit of growth, right? A little bit of it. This is kind of like when it was just kind of getting started. It was a small cap company, but the company really started to grow kind of going towards 2010. And they're like basically accessibility based company. So they focus on like elderly care and whatnot. So they make things like, wheelchair lifts, home elevators, all that kind of stuff that kind of helps people as they get older and whatnot. And I think this stuff kind of going into the future is going to be really, for a lot of people, is going to be like a big thing, especially as our generation gets older and whatnot. I see more people using these kind of products, and we've kind of seen that rise up in the stock price in about 2018. It was trading about $20 Canadian, and then it had a bit of a dip in 2018, and now we're kind of seeing that rise back up. And over the past couple of years, it's had a pretty good gain. So I still think this is a company that has a lot of potential. It's pretty big with an $824 million market cap. It's got a pretty decent dividend yield at about 3%, so it is a nice dividend stock, and it is a monthly dividend stock, so it fits the flow really nicely. But if we go over the past like little while here, we can see over the past week, Xavier Corp is down 6%, which is kind of hinting that this is a pretty good stock to buy right now. Over the past month, it's up 6%. Over the past 3 months, it's up 20%. Over the past year, it's up 17%. And over the past 5 years, it's up 211%. So this is a stock I think that has a lot of growth opportunities going in the future. And like I said, you know, if we go over the past week, it is down 6%. So I see this as a pretty good opportunity to buy. And it just also happens to be one of the lowest holdings in my account. So I'm probably going to be buying a little bit as time goes on. So for current values, just for you guys who are interested in this, I currently own about 12 shares of Severia Corp, valued at roughly about $200, and the all-time performance is a gain of $16, which is about 10% inside the portfolio. So it's been kind of up and down over the past little while, but overall it's been doing quite well. And like I said, it does have a nice little monthly yield. It is only 1%. So I do want to buy a little bit of this stock today. I'm going to be buying a little bit of Severia Corp, and then the other little bit inside the portfolio we'll probably put towards some of our one of our ETFs probably. So I'm going to spend about $100 of Severia Corp. So I'm just going to put this order through really quickly with Wealthsimple Trade. We'll put that through, and then let's take a quick little peek at an ETF that I'm going to be buying for today. And with the remaining money we have inside our portfolio, I'm probably just going to be staking inside of one of our solid ETFs that I focus on this portfolio. And as you guys know, I focus mostly on VDY, which is the Vanguard Canadian-based ETF. And then we have VFE, which is the S&P 500. So I'm probably going to focus on VDY since I haven't bought a lot of shares recently, and I still want to bring this up inside the portfolio. So just a quick little recap here. VDY, we have 145 shares, which is like I said, a good chunk of money inside the portfolio. Currently worth about $5,000, and we are up $371, which is about 8%. So it is a nice little ETF that does pay out monthly and has performed quite well for us. So once again, I'm going to be putting a good chunk of this money that we have. We have about $200 left today. I'm going to be sticking that all inside VDY once again to just build up that monthly income inside the portfolio. So we'll put in a limit buy. Let's go through here and push this through. What is the current price? The current price is about 34.62. So I just want to make sure this actually goes through. So let's go 34.62. It should go through. I'll just have to monitor it to make sure it actually does later on. But we'll put that limit buy through here. And there we go. So that's pretty much most of the stock buys for today's video. Let's take a quick peek at the dividend income, and let's see how our dividends have been kind of rolling in over the past couple days. So here at Wealthsimple Trade, you can organize your account to see what your dividends are coming in. So I hit my TFSA and I hit dividends here, and I can see all the dividends that have been coming in recently. And by the way, guys, if you guys need somebody's referral link, I'll put all my links in the description of the video if you guys need to get that $10 for free to trade on Wealthsimple Trade if you guys want. And here's all the dividends that have been coming inside the account. So we have Severia Corp, actually SIS, which stands for Severia Corp, actually came in earlier this morning, so that was cool. We got 44 cents from Severia Corp. VDY paid us dividend of $13, and RioCan and H&RE and TD, we got a nice big chunk of $19 from TD, which has been really cool. And once again, a lot of these other ones will probably start rolling in towards the end of the month. We should get a Shaw Communications dividend for February, R&W, and then XRE as well. And that'll kind of top up some of our dividend income for February for so far. And if we go to the spreadsheet, there's a quick little update on how much the portfolio is making us on a monthly basis. As you guys can see here, our February income is currently sitting at about $45. We're almost hitting that $50 a month mark pretty consistently. I think by the end of February, going into March, we'll be hitting $50 a month, which would be really cool because then that's a new milestone of the channel, I think, on a consistent basis. We did hit $50 in December, but that was kind of like a really big dividend month. So be able to hit $50 kind of on a consistent basis will be really cool. And I'm pretty excited about that inside the portfolio. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, I know there's a lot of new people on the channel, and there's been a lot of new people searching for things. You get a lot of questions about the TFSA and whatnot. So if you guys have any questions, just leave a comment in the description of this video. I'll try to answer as much as possible. I've been really busy and there's been a lot of comments, so I've been having a little bit of a hard time keeping up, but I'll try my best to kind of answer your guys' questions. So once again, if you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and remember to subscribe if you guys want to see more content. And other than that, guys, have yourself a good weekend. Hope you guys have a good time, and I'll see you guys later.